Potentilla thurberi Monarch's velvet. Look at that stunning, beautiful velvet, almost maroon coloured flower with a darker centre. Really good for midsummer, low to front of border. Hello, Rosie Hardy from Hardy's Cruise Garden Plants. This is a potentilla. Now, potentillas, a lot of people will know of them as shrubs. There are also annuals, and this one is a perennial sort. You can always tell that you have got a potentilla by the type of leaf that they have. So their leaves are always shaped like this, whether they are the shrubby form or the herbaceous form. So they look a little bit like a strawberry. Really, really great plants. It's not easy to get these confused with geums. If you were to just see the flower, however, you might think it looks like a geum, but once you see the leaf, you know it's a potentilla. This is a fabulous one for the front, maybe to the middle of the border, because it's only going to get to this height, which is 50 to maybe 60 centimetres tall. Lovely clump forming. All of the foliage stays as a lovely mound lower down, and then the flowers come up, and then it has a profusion of these beautiful red flowers all over it. As you can see, there are lots of buds, there are lots of flower. You're always going to have that colour there, and it is a cracking plant for summer through to the autumn. And what you've got to remember is this will die back down, become a totally herbaceous plant, disappear for the winter. Then in the spring, its leaf is going to come back up as a mound. That is when you can lift it and divide it and move it around if you want to, or you just leave it become a slowly bigger plant. It's not going to take over the world. It is a clump forming, beautiful mid to late season herbaceous perennial. If you've enjoyed the video on that particular plant, why not visit our website, hardysplants.co.uk. There you can buy the plant and maybe browse many other varieties which you will be able to put into your garden.